Hey, Katrina here from Scrappyhorses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just a quick creative put together here today. I have some close to my heart paper. I had some distress ink, a distressing tool. I have this lovely image from Julius Paris called Sunny. Some scissors, Fabri-Tac, ATG, lace, denim, a little flower, some scrap paper, and a blue card base. So let's get started with this card. I'm going to start by taking a Copic marker, E15, and I'm going to go ahead and just go around the edge. I started with E13 and it just wasn't quite enough color. This paper is very, very lightweight. It's like almost like typing paper. It's really lightweight. I'm just using it as a layering piece. I decided I wanted a little more distress on that sunflower paper. It's set from close to my heart. I'm going to go ahead and just layer these together with a little bit of ATG. All right, next I'm going to come in and just adhere it to my card front. So my card base, I just cut it on a paper slicer. It measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now I'm going to come in with this little digi, and I've colored that up on Nina cardstock with Copic markers. I want to share this trick. Ripping denim is so much easier than cutting it, and it makes for a great embellishment because it leaves the frayed edge. So all you have to do is just make a little slice with your scissors and just rip it, and it will rip so straight, and it's so easy. I'm going to take that, I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of Fabri-Tac and adhere that to the card. First, I'm going to cut something to lift off the digi there so that it sits up on top of that, and it all sits pretty even that way. So I've got the fabric adhered. Now I'm going to come in with my digi, and underneath there I have 3 layers of cereal box board. So I'm only going to put it on the one side of the digi, and then the other side will go over the fabric, and then it will all sit very flat. All right, so I'm going to use Fabri-Tac again over. I like to do that. That way, if it's not quite straight, I've got some wiggle room there. I'm taking some of those pieces from the frayed denim. I'm adding a little bit of yellow thread, and I'm just kind of bunching that up underneath just to add a little bit of interest under this little flower that I had in my stash. I'm going to go ahead now and add these pretty blue pearls, just sort of to set off her bouquet of flowers there. Just in a little trio here, right around the bouquet. So at this point in the video, I want to take the opportunity to share that I made this card and video because I am a guest designer over at Farm Quest General Store Challenge. So come on over and share any of your country farm makes. We'd love to see it. Becca's run this challenge for a while now, and of course I always enjoy participating. So go check out that challenge. I think you'll enjoy it. I will leave a link to it in the box below so you can come play along. Any comments or questions, leave them below. I'm more than happy to answer. Drop me a like or subscribe. I would love that too. Hey, have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.